Right, so for today's video, I'm gonna show you the code for the daily cipher as of June 27, 2024. So the code is MINER, M-I-N-E-R. Okay, let's go ahead and check in for the daily cipher. Okay, so for the long press, that is for 1 dash, and short press is for 1 dot. Let's have long press, 2 long press, 2 dash, that's M, and then 2 dot, okay, and dash dot, alright, and another dot, and dot, dash, dot. Alright, there you go. Take the prize. That is in total of 1 million. Alright, I hope you can get yours as well. Enjoy mining, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos about Hamster Combat update. Thank you and goodbye.